What's going on, guys? This is Jay the Trash Man back at it again with another video. I just leaving our guy Rob's tire up in Karma City. If you guys need any like truck work, tire work, you know, he'll help you out. He patched up my tire real quick, got it all fixed up, got in and out within 15 minutes. Really good guy. Even if you are stranded, they have a guy that can come out and fix your tire there for you. So it's Rob's Tire up in Karma City. If you guys need any tires up in Colorado, truck tires wise, you know, give him a call. Got that all fixed. At least that's out of my mind now. Thank you guys for riding with Jay the Trash Man. We'll see you on the flip side. What's going on, guys? This is Jay the Trash Man back at it again with another video. I'm just here in Aurora, Colorado. I just picked up a dumpster. You just seen me do that. I got to come back here. If you did see, I have a second dumpster there. I got to do a swap on that one. I got quite a few jobs in Aurora, Colorado, and I got to do drop-offs or pickups in Boulder and Broomfield, so I'll be all over the place today. A lot of driving back and forth and stuff like that. But I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. Hope you guys are enjoying. If you haven't, leave a like, subscribe, comment. Very much appreciate it. Thank you guys for riding with Jay the Trash Man. We'll see you on the flip side. We just got that dumpster dumped there, no issues dumped, pretty nice, easy dump. It has some really bad trash in there. There's usually like maggots and stuff on the bottom of this dumpster. It's kind of how this apartment complex always is. I don't know why, but it's always dirty. It's one of those pretty rundown ones. I'm actually on my way back over there. Oh, I got this about to tip. I'm on my way back over to that apartment again. I got another dumpster there. I got to just swap out, give them a fresh one. Sometimes I leave 2 there. Today I'll just leave the 1 since that one doesn't have much room in it anyways. We'll take you guys along for the ride, and then we'll also probably take you for another drop-off I have in Aurora and make the video a little bit longer. The last videos I've done weren't as long as I want them to be, but we're gonna try to get that a little bit. I want to stick more to maybe 10 to 15 minute videos at this point. If you guys want longer videos, you know, leave in the comment. I will record longer, but right now I think that's kind of what I'm aiming for, just to try to get some content out and try to grow this channel as much as I possibly can. Let's take you guys, we got a little bit, probably 10-15 minute drive down the road here to do this swap out, and we will get going. Let's see what we can get into. Alright guys, we just got that jobs all done. It's the end of my day. I gotta run over to our guys at Pep Boys. They are fixing our AC compressor. Everything under warranty, so by the weekend or next week I should have a fresh air condenser for the AC so we could start being cold in here again. It's been really hot, miserable the last couple days. Last week, honestly, it's been really hot, about 100 degrees every day. So, and then just being out in the sun, I need to get these windows tinted. I haven't had time. I know a guy that does them pretty good and at a really good price. His name's Tito's, up in Denver, West Denver there. If you guys want to check it out, TETO Window Tint, check them out. They do really good work. I gotta go get these done. But hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Please give me a like, subscribe, comment. Anything helps at all. If you guys want longer videos, shorter videos, or just enjoying it how it is, you know, I definitely appreciate anything that you guys could give me. We will take you guys along for Monday morning. Like I said, truck's still in the shop, so I don't got no work tomorrow. But I'm gonna take you guys along on Monday morning, and we'll see you on the flip side. Thanks you guys for riding with Jay the Trash Man. We'll see you again. Peace.